Today this project is not for beginner. Tremendously, I can say Python is really great and hard language. It's basically going to actually build up the robotics and machine learning language. It's a highly proficient and great language, and nowadays Python is growing, super growing up everywhere. You can find Python. So today I make a project. It's not for beginner, just reduce those kind of student. I have to already install it, JetBrains and Python ID. I'm showing this project.
Let's start.
Class grade dev underscore self first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, self dot first equal first, then self dot second equal second. Okay, self dot third equal third, self dot fourth equal fourth. Okay, self dot fifth equal fifth. Then def, I put def calculate the grade, calculate parenthesis self. Okay, average equal parenthesis self dot first plus second dot self dot second plus self dot third plus self dot fourth plus self dot fifth. Okay, print parenthesis quotation, your average is average. Let me check the values of values object. Okay, then if parenthesis 95 yes 95 greater than equal average 100, then print you obtain grade A, then if parenthesis 85 greater than equal average 95. Okay, here I put 90, then print parenthesis input in quotation you obtain grade B, then if again 75 greater than equal average greater than 80, print you will obtain grade C. Okay, then if 65 greater than equal average greater than 75, just I put the value which I like. Okay, print parenthesis quotation you obtain grade D. Okay, then if else print okay you obtain grade F. Now if okay name underscore quotation main okay first equal int import enter the marks obtain in first subject second call import enter the mark obtain in second subject then third equal input enter the mark obtain in third subject fourth equal import enter the marks obtain fourth subject fifth equal import enter the mark obtain in fifth okay then grade underscore obtain equal grade first second third fourth fifth Okay, then create object dot calgrade. Okay, everything else okay. Just rename the file, the right file. Okay, yes. Okay, warning, just move up, it doesn't matter, this warning. Okay, check, warning, just move up is okay, it doesn't matter. Yes, okay, everything is okay. 9 warning is now. Run the code. Just now get the average of score. Yes, okay. Put the first subject mark 75, second 85, third 95, fourth 88, fifth 99. The average is 88.4. Grade is B. Yes, the code is finished in here.